the President, and as a member of his cabinet, as family, we have to abide and we have to set aside our personal opinions and reasons.
But it's not clear, Secretary, kung that is just for official visit or personal visit, or is it both?
I'm sure the Office of the President will issue yes, a document defining the coverage of the instruction of the President. We have a cabinet meeting on that report. I'm sure that is also one of the topics that will be discussed.
So we have to ask you this. May direct
We are it's only Senator Ronald de la Rosa whose visa has been canceled. But so far, I'm not aware of anyone. Me, I have a US visa, still valid.
Pero sir, were you refrained by the President not to travel to the US? May ganong information.
Yeah,
na
last night, the President issued a directive for cabinet members not to travel to the US. Well, probably it is related to the cancellation of the visa of Senator Bato as an after result of the budget provision of the US.
But that's only for official engagements, right? You can still go there on your own as a private citizen.
Yes, I think so. If you are probably sick, or if you are sick and seeking for medical treatment, I think those are exemptions. But for now, we will abide by the direction or the instruction of the President. So anyway, I don't have plan to go to the United States because